This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the base of the final drive unit, then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the reinforced sections of the door sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Undo the retaining screws and unclip the protective cover from the base of the suspension lower arm. Position a jack under the lower arm and raise it to take the weight of the arm. Lift out the luggage compartment floor panel and remove the parcel shelf. Fold forwards the rear seats, then remove the access panel from the side panel. Prise up the centre pins and remove the plastic expansion rivets securing the side panel. Carefully fold the side panel inwards to access the shock absorber upper mounting. Clean and lubricate the upper mounting threads. Holding the piston rod stationary with an open-ended spanner, unscrew and remove the upper mounting nut. Remove the flat washer and upper mounting rubber. Unscrew the lower mounting nut and withdraw the bolt. Note that it may be necessary to lever the shock absorber slightly in order to remove the bolt. Compress the shock absorber slightly and withdraw it from under the vehicle. Where necessary, slide off the protective tube, remove the circlip and slide the bump stop from the old shock absorber. Where applicable, slide the bump stop onto the new shock absorber followed by the circlip and protective tube. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, compressing it slightly if necessary in order to locate it correctly. Align the mounting holes and insert the lower mounting bolt. Fit the new nut, but only lightly tighten it at this stage. Slide the rubber over the upper mounting, followed by the flat washer. Fit the new upper mounting nut and tighten it to the specified torque. Refit the side panel. Insert the plastic expansion rivets and press down the centre pins to secure them. Refit the access panel. Fold up the seats, then refit the parcel shelf and floor panel. Lower the suspension arm, refit the wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. With the weight of the vehicle back on its wheels, settle the suspension. Tighten the shock absorber lower mounting nut to the specified torque. Clip the protective cover back into place and securely tighten the retaining screws.